Hey everyone, it's Kathleen Nelson, and we are going to be working on enhancement number 2 from week 3. So the first thing we're going to do is work on our SQL. So I'm in PHP, my admin, and we are asked to create a new table. It is named clients. We need to add a couple more rows, and then we need to name them. So the first one is client ID. Client level, first name, last name, forgot to add my rows. There we go. Email. This one was like his screen name, is what I thought at least, or a login perhaps. And then this is a quote. That's an integer, that's an integer. This is a varchar. So I'm just going through and changing the character type for all of these. And now I'm working on the length. And then I'm going to scroll over. And the top one I'm going to set to the primary. And we should be good. So we'll scroll down and tell it to save. And then we were asked to add in Tony Stark, so I'm going to go over to SQL. We're going to delete the little bit of code they already gave me. And we'll pull up my handy dandy notebook. We just want this first one. Alright. We are going to Control V to paste this in, maybe. There we go. And we're going to go ahead and tell it to go. And then there's nothing in the client level yet, because we were asked not to use that for the first one. So that's my first piece, and then we'll go to SQL. And the next thing we were asked to do is change his client level. So we can do that. And then if we come over here, you'll actually be able to see this. There's Tony Stark. His client level is currently a 3. Blah, blah, blah. There we go. So we're going to go back into SQL now. The next thing we're asked to do is to change part of the description on the Hummer. So I'm just going to bring this over. Go ahead and delete this. Yeah. I keep on wanting to right click and paste this. So there's that. We're going to tell it to go. And it was put in successfully. We're going to go to SQL again. The next thing we're asked to do is to do a inner join or a classic join. And this one is going to show all the cars that are SUVs. And there we are. It shows the 4 cars that are SUVs. And then the next thing we were asked to do is we're asked to delete the Jeep Wrangler from the database. So let's do that. Wrong one, sorry. Old habits die hard. And there we are. So that is what we have for the SQL portion. Okay guys, so I noticed I forgot 2 parts of the SQL, so let me continue with that. We need to update the inventory images and also the thumbnails. So I'm just going to concat them. So there's that. Go. Everything is good. And then we have one more. I do things separately because it just makes more sense to me. I'm sure you could probably do them all at the same time. But I like taking small little bites. And there we go. And then we can verify that they are now all PHPMotors all the way down. Awesome. Let me know if you guys had any questions for me. Thanks.